the national mood near pay.
And then see. And now, your poor commentary pa now for one.
Yes.
You say, be behind the Black Stars in cover.
Yes. You see, Rich, unim the end sir. Na yin na yeji tum say child dear. Ya show mo dear, but they didn't represent the kind of tester. Ebema ya jia tum say ye blasters no. Say pijabim. Enti obia ni ho ye nyatwom. Obia ka kire no ho say yenhwe yen against Madagascar. Na enu no mom engage baby a ye be puti blasters in now whether indeed we have started rising. Rich, me am it here. I will be the first person I remember say, Rich, na ye bet me as Madagascar Morocco mpa. I didn't believe it was going to be senior year when run.
3-0.
3-0 and a very, very good performance. Rich, Gabi, in all honesty, me can creep power makumemua. We could win, fine. But, Rich, na ni say, we no be ye konkron, krojin, and a lot of ahotosobi. Eba mam ye hu de we are me shop blasters no. Say, Rich, ye peja. I never expected a performance no. And for me, met me liking it to how I feel about Barcelona now. Rich, me a Barcelona ni. Barcelona me feel like me what towards the team now no. And yes sir, ye beji Champions League, ye beji League. Rich, for the fact that today Barcelona hugely competitive in any tournament, whether a domestic and a international. And no mammy ampa, this team is rising. And say a rising you do level where Rich Barcelona bono no. It will not take us 5 years to play this same football without us winning one of the Champions League. And I'm warmer blasters. I am not saying say blasters has arrived, Dabi. Yenye bibia. Yasa chat ne Madagascar. But I'm saying say mastati nya feeling say Rich say say ya ani ebekona. Na ye beja room for even improvement there. Rich, then enchebiano. Blasters will return to the elite football country now. Na ye nimuno on the continent. Marese winina. Because we've lost it. Na ye loses our elite tag no. Say Oba African continent ha. Ye ka Egypt, Cameroon, Ghana, Nigeria, Ivory Coast. Nan say Algeria, now Morocco more. You can say women are elite football countries based on performance, based on pedigree, based on history. Not gradually Ghana, you lose here, you know. But Rich, with CCI boy, a Kaiwo, when blasters were referred to as one of the elite countries on the continent. You are expected to beat them, then you beat them. Ushia Madagascar, whether home or away or anywhere, you are expected to beat them. Then you beat them. We are coming back, Rich.
To Benjamin Asare, the performance. A surprise.
Mamenka Sasemwe. Look, again, I am not saying it because of hindsight. I am saying it because of my observation. Rich, Ghana she a young there. But Rich, I think say one of the elements are a Ghana for any giano emu edo the fact that we've won those 2 games, which Benjamin Asare as a goalkeeper. And the Anglophone Geo. So, Blasters na ya home in the last 2 games, And so any papa bono mo boni ye. But Rich, I am telling you, one of the factors are indigenous of Ghana, of photocrobium, and Kofoni Geno, optimum. The conversation say, Benjamin Asare that podium. And I'll tell you why. Rich, Caneno, I used to hold the view, say, national team, you're born only on merits. You're a free teamer. What would deserve it? And I was saying, but gradually, Rich, Mr. T say, me changing from that view after monitoring what happened on the international scene. And I'll give you a classical example. Rich, mini PJ. Yaya Jumeri wa. Ena PJCO. Satam no oye Kotoko PRO. Enti o interviews be as PRO of Kotoko. Enti Osramia menene nko those rounds no. Na me say okay, Mate boss. Ena me di n'echi. Ena ye call Silver FM. Yet a Silver FM studio, and I'm a farm phone. Some interview, and I'm a intimate and oye an interview. Rich, minam social media, and I'm who say DWTV, DW Sports, LX, and the breaking news about say, time, German national team coach Joachim Löw, on it Oliver Bierhoff, Ako. DFB, everyone said Kagana ha and ka FA Secretariat. I could share the technical directorate, of DFB, Omukoya, Omasamne say Jerome Ajenim Boating, Matt Hummels, Thomas Muller, Omujidi said, Jomeyama German national team, Oma Yewie, Enti Omu coach, and the business manager of the team, you have to Ghana ha and team manager. I could justify actually the technical director say Sam Rentier way mono. Ye jidi say Omanyini and the also Yama national team bia Oma Yewi and your free necro. The new German national team ye be friend ye from mubium. Now Rich. Omuko justify sa decision you no. Omu be free meeting asia. The interviewer DW Sports for a post here was with Oliver Bierhoff. What has some kind? Or say, in Pembrain, that time no. Say Oko Bayern team ni mua. One of the best performing players, Thomas Muller. Jerome Boateng, one of the best German defenders. We are that time no. Matt Hummels was the best defender at Dortmund that time. But Omujini say, Emrantian assume and Omunfienu come and they must pave way for new guys, Mr. Jonathan Tam, to come through. Rich, then I realized, okay, and the national team and merit in the
because I merit.
Because then I merit there.
Credit is Thomas Muller.
And I'm not talking
Thomas
about
Muller.
no, and you know, sad time, no, and I'll tell you why. It's my mom who say no. Then decisions are made sometimes. Not necessarily because Obi Air performing, because Thomas Muller was one of the best. Matt Hummels was the best defender for Dortmund. Now, Rich, after we take his decision, German Bobo Nani Ashomu, Bobo Nani Ashomu, Bobo Nani Ashomu, and the 3 months, Joachim Löw went back to the DFB technical directorate and told them, we are rescinding the decision, and that he was going to recall Matt Hummels and Thomas Muller back in the German national team. And they were back. And I make you to say, and the merit arguments in the BM making are overrated. Because since our decision was not made based on merit, that is the reason why results he could bring them back easily. Now, Omoba back, all of a sudden, Yateso. But he believes I took a certain decision based on a certain way. I brought those players back. Rich, from that day, and I'm very, very honest, my argument of only merit as a say there could be other considerations. Ebema coach be after a certain player and I say a certain way to the national team. Now, Rich, moving on from there, and I'm a benya sa argument na debia that's how to say discuss it national team call up. Now me argument say for strategic sake, for issues of apathy, for grounds love, say timamufono ebedo blasters no. Say omo feel say eyo omo national team. Say strategically, ye the national team no ebe market a league. See a link between the national team and the national league. I will always argue. Forget about issues of merit. Say, see a free national team now. Rich, there should be a component of the national team that represents your national league. Rich, and now me tell you, I will be proud to say, Benjamin Asare, 2 games here ya boy. Pona wonye mu dae no. Ya wa ya de. Ghana for any aje because I am Benjamin Asare. No matter the club or be supporting no. Rich, it is evidence of the argument I have made for years and months. Say, strategically, you will need that element with the national team to cut a door, genuine love.
Okay.
Now, Rich, and now I can say,
Now we
go on social media. Even Kotoko social media platforms are happy for Benjamin Asare. Mira Studio AI, Frederick Asare of Kotoko. Akoti Benjamin Asare picture, Blasters aposty. So Abenton had 2 games when you have 2 clean sheets. And Frederick Asare of Kotoko is congratulating Benjamin Asare for Safit. Do you know why? They are all, it is paving way for local players.
All right, me now say I'm in coffee, man, Fredo. Feel good morning.
Morning, Rich.
I want to say,
Adam.
I need leaky goals.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, Benjamin Asare be them, 2 matches, clean sheet.
I think it's the most simplistic way how we to put it.
Yeah, leaky goals
But to be fair, Rich, any say the data aiding come our ball one as a sector biya. Any data be any data.
Okay.
Means what in American
Yeah.
Even when you speak to the scientists, some tester, there is what we call the conclusive test. Because it's my test to be, but inconclusive. And now the real thing I was share. But you see, Rich, me on Thursday, you did Benjamin Asare that poem. I was not worried. Although before now, not many part of the school of thought say, I see any local player in the Black Stars at all costs now. But not Enhame. Enhame because quickly in my mind, Bibi catcher me say, yeah, but one cry. And to be very honest with you, it is done everywhere in the world, though. On the level of the national team, on the level of club football. Rich. Say, what kind of lot of the outlets that Johan Cruyff has written out in the time at Barcelona? One of the things that they be a Johan Cruyff for they be a friend of psychosocial superiority. Psychosocial superiority nature say, and you say be a rich and born chief you. But see a park in a swar. The way I reach a fifi in Kita would be a park no so no mutio muhuntino. Me person me bo rich any fifi. Iti the decision to play Benjamin Asare should not just be to be based on data. Say, when you gone or just a class of folk na ABA on the best goalkeeper in Nhyira would to maybe you know be good. No, there are a lot of factors that influence the decision making of coaches. Which major tactical board no one catch us several times say in the conversation of football and everywhere in the world. Tactics na they be a chile move 4-1-1 and a 15% of game preparation. 15% per psychological part is there. Like I told you, psychosocial, no away from that. Niema bebre really inherent. Say only making a decision as to how I over picky player on some game and as some member. Inti no crane say enye Benjamin Asare Nkwanti and your keepers are 2 clean sheets no. But he is the goalkeeper in the post and you will give him a lot of credit. I think so.
On our organizer back 4.
No.
You
see, say you cut down even into the data and you pursue data now. How many shots you consider here? And you consider less shorter. It is probably because defense in the BBA.
Sure.
It is because they be a midfield ni press. It is because attacking your ball more. Into no clean sheets in the mention. But Rich, in the game, there were moments and none of questions was asked of Benjamin Asare. Say, okay, who a goalkeeper with them? Who facing shots, baby? But shots back on about what do you do? He saved it. There was one shot that he went down and parried that ball very well. Oh, sorry for the rebound, and Asare should be clear ball on the court. The aerial claims, you could tell, say, no, a dominant. There are still also certain parts of Benjamin. Me and I share about what I told myself, Mr. Rich. Say Benjamin Asare has a folk goalkeeper's trainer. I think say he Bendida or something. Nipo here has a folk goalkeeper's trainer, no, Rich. Najuma ese oye pa. And he say Oshe sa 2 Black Stars game, no. He will see on the highest level. Baby Benjamin Asare elake. Na onye no adwuma. And me I noticed 2 things.
First one,
Ne clearance.
say ya bobo akono so.
Na obo esim. Ebo aye mo bon corner so ka ye build up. Defenders na the ball na man.
Bobo na si.
Usually highest level person keeper ni bobo ni bohunu. Person obo ay kosi on one player so.
I know be catch me.
Very important. And I think that is the number one thing. I say maybe because pressure or moral the natural gun, but sample size nisha. If they look at it and they see say yeah, clearly something that Benjamin Asare can develop, he needs to look at it because immediately he gets that side done, he is top notch. Because cross claiming is very important. Yet, we argue say the cross claiming of Benjamin Asare most of the times now uncontested. Okay, Obiam, Pemon, no, man, hostile, but Obabeche Bono. Again, the short pass, So, Bekaya, ye bobo ni yeshe first go ni wieno. Madagascar for started so ye nioma tsese na ye into no press here 1v1. So go into a back 3 shape. And you see wing backs. And in fifth forum, use Couturier fifth forum to win those balls. Then they try to use Badjomo in those house spaces to worry us and be very aggressive. Most of the times, nobody require a center back to them. But Otuado had a good plan in using Antoine Semenyo as an outlet. But most of the times, Boni could do Benjamin Asare Honoma. Now, after the Obana for opponents to Honum. General play was good, but Sanyama Mienue, clearances and 2 in a short pass. Oh, it's on a short pass, but could be a boy. It was hot in mouth. But still, once he can be comfortable on the ball, play out from the back, go with the long passes, and it's Sanyama in the game. I think that Branty friend Benjamin Asare can do very well. And for me, and not just Benjamin, the whole team, center backs and technical team, you got tactical bonus, you didn't come on, it was very, very important. And Rich, the most important thing is that say may the list be Emma Jeff, which only said 2024. AFCON qualifiers near boy in the year 2024. We didn't win a single one.
Yeah. It's true.
During the last time, Ghana winning 2 games on a bounce. And now what is going to focus? Madagascar, Chad. Agreed. But the same Comoros Islands, the same Central African Republic, the same Madagascar, and then saying, and me, my several times say, we were not going to win matches because you didn't Ghana. No, forget it. We were not going to win matches because you have gone 4 times in the past. No, Kokoda. We will only win games, see a boy here, and we want it more on the foot of player. That is when we reach your Kokobo AFCON qualifiers. You need Sudan ball draw. You need Niger ball draw. Jeff Michel flipping, mommy. Angola, you lose to them. You lose to Sudan at some point in time. You go away to Libya and against Sudan, Korea. We didn't get the results. African Cup of Nations, you struggle here. In almost every game, my boy, in on the African continent from the year 2024, even from 2023 ever. So it tells you clearly. And Obi Owenibia can tell you that good changes have been done to Black Star setup now.
Right.
And then now I pay me whole picture be of Black Stars team na Omujina touchline. And I ometra a picture of everybody. Otuado, Aminu Shadow. And first one, Otuado, I guess a picture. I know my title is say leading the charge. Now, Rich, me send me the picture which they were here for.
Yeah,
Exactly. Say Jeff is zooming in. Ube who say there is one person in there. Mijidi said that is where all the changes began. I mean the picture na send the Jeff. Ube a picture ne pe. You see that starting with quote Otuado. John Pencil. On the right of Otuado, and the assistant coach Desmond Ofe Ewo, Fatau Shaku, Aminu Shadow, Dr. Pambo, all of the people. Which the last one before say players in Bebano, Kotoko for equipment manager. Isa what's his name? Izamadu. Which okay time my GF before started somewhere in society. Now go focus say Black Stars no. Dreams FC for equipment manager only made money ye be say oh ye keto they Rich, look at the picture. I saw him. I was so excited. Who senior man is Amadou Ohon. I'm saying wow. When the good feel comes, it comes from within. And it started from there. And then I make catch the line, you know. The bodyguard and all player and all say, okay, so I call your hand for or start following for the door. Let's put them aside. It looks as if real changes have been made in the Black Stars. And me and Chemi and Jeff concerned, I can say it now. And you can tell, say, we are on the right path. I hope.
Okay.
Say the coaches will learn. And right to other. He says excellent stuff. Sure. Also, I a lot of credit to Desmond Ofe.
You come there. You come there, don't worry.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, sound common. Yamra to our captaincy issues. You say, and also idea about Kwa. I am national team the pa. Now, before I ever call sound common to train us, no. I'm from Dakon, so no, yeah, dream power or observation now. Yeah, our Benjamin Asare, or send a kick. A very, very bad end. Or did you say I was a technical team, no, and where you on that. Now to our captaincy issues, no, na, infending common side issues, no, and to us. I didn't